Oh. This vacuum right here happens to be in a concept series which first started in 1978. I want to show you how any concept model vacuum could clean your fan right here. It's good for in case of spider webs. You can go with the vacuum with the by-hand attachments or this one with the onboard tools, which is a better choice. Either the Hoover Concept 1 or the Pyromax, it doesn't matter to me. This video is being dedicated to the Hoover company, which a unicorn could use. Yep. Yep. This does a low pile carpeting. Yep. Power surge in case of for old ugly carpets. Yep. Well, nobody does it like you the way that you do. Hoover, nobody does it like you. This is my Hoover Pyromax saying, buy more Hoover vacuum cleaners.